Today, we are faced with crises, including global warming, depletion of resources, and threatened biodiversity. How should we address these environmental challenges? In the 2004 G8 Sea Island Summit, the then Prime Minister Mr. Koizumi propounded the 3R initiative toward the establishment of a circulating society. It was in the hope that Japan would serve as a model for other countries by taking a leadership role in 3R approaches. 3R refers to reduce, reuse, recycle. For 3 years, from fiscal year 2011 to fiscal year 2013, with the aid of the Environment Research and Technology Development Fund, Totori University of Environmental Studies conducted a study in view of waste biomass utilization, aiming at diffusing 3R in Japan and in Asian countries. This research study has been carried out by the members listed here with the focus on the following 4 columns. Establishment of a community-based biomass recycling system. Preparation of prescription for promoting biomass utilization. Proposition of biomass utilization projects to be addressed in Asian countries. Development of technological, economic, and social approaches to promote biomass utilization. Totori University of Environmental Studies operates school buses that run with BDF, biodiesel fuel. The university has carried out research studies on effective means to establish and promote, among citizens and students, collection of waste cooking oil as raw material for BDF, as well as studies on expansion of BDF applications. Meanwhile, biomass utilization technology still poses various challenges and is a field where studies have been ongoing. With the aim to further utilize its unique experience for society, Totori University of Environmental Studies has diagnosed the problems for use of biomass in biomass towns and has developed a prescription for promoting biomass utilization. In fiscal year 2011 and fiscal year 2012, we extracted the efforts that focused on waste biomass utilization from the designated biomass towns and identified successful case examples based on the production, facility operation, sales performances, etc. Among these successful case examples for field surveys, we chose and visited the biomass towns that had a biomass utilization technology with high potential for application in the environment of the Asian region. Based on these results, in fiscal year 2013, we conducted a biomass utilization diagnosis of the municipalities in Totori Prefecture that were working on the use of biomass. The issue of 3R can never bear fruit if it is addressed by Japan alone. It is an issue that has to be worked on collaboratively by the countries concerned. For the purpose of this study, we conducted workshops with local researchers and investigated needs for 3R as well as the present situation of biomass utilization in various countries, including Thailand and Indonesia in fiscal year 2011, Vietnam and Nepal in fiscal year 2012, and India and Bangladesh in fiscal year 2013. What measures should we take to further promote waste biomass utilization? We have carried out studies on technological, economic, and social approaches. In order to realize a technological approach, focusing attention on the process of biomass collection and transportation, we have developed a method that enables the establishment of efficient collection routes. With regard to the development of an economic approach, perceiving the whole process from discharge of biomass to its utilization from a viewpoint of a combination of multiple markets, we have worked on analyses of the taxation and subsidy policies concerned. Further, with regard to the development of a social approach, with the students of Totori University of Environmental Studies, having them experience compost making and diffuse that experience to local residents, we carried out discussions on building a 3R society. Professor Masaru Tanaka, who is the leader of this research study, talks about the objectives of this project.
Due
to population increase and economic growth, consumption of resources has risen rapidly, and depletion of natural resources has been brought about. In order to change this situation, not only Japan, but also the whole world must address this issue. In that situation, the 3R initiative presented by Japan at the G8 Environment Ministers meeting was adopted, and efforts for developing 3R have been made worldwide. As part of these efforts, we also wish to contribute to reducing resource consumption through waste biomass utilization. Our ultimate goal is to change the present way of society based on mass production, mass consumption, mass disposal, to a recycling-based society. For this purpose, we aim to bring about a change in lifestyle through cherishing natural resources and the environment, advocating the needs for and importance of them, and having the whole world jointly address this issue so that the future generations will not suffer from resource depletion.
資源が枯渇して、困ることがないように今から変えていこうと、生活様式も変えていこうと、これを目指してやっています。
A large number of challenges still remain to be addressed toward building a 3R society. Making the best use of the results obtained from this study, Totori University of Environmental Studies continues to make efforts toward building a 3R society through waste biomass utilization. From Totori to the world.